Glasses. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. What? You want to be held again? What is that? What is that? All the stuff all over the place? Can you get up there? Look. Go get it. That's for duck. That's for ducks. What are you doing? Sheep. You want to play with cars, huh? Step 5. The cows. The cows. My shoes. Nobody's not getting your shoes. He's playing with the toy.